Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Sagittarius, let's start your reading. A warm welcome back to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Sagittarius. Okay. 3 of Cups, center of my spread, but in reverse at the moment, Sagittarius. 5 of Cups, 4 of Swords, and the 10 of Cups. Alright, Sagittarius, there's a lot of solitude time going on. Maybe you guys are in separation at the moment. There is a bit of sadness because that offer of love that was expected or that apology hasn't come. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Sagittarius, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify these cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from here, Sagittarius. Sagittarius and their person. Okay. And Sagittarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Good to go, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. The first card I have says, I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit, I don't like your ego. It hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? I just want to see you and begin our life together, but these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? The thought of you being with you one day is what gets me through today. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, and wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We'll always be together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. There is a huge void in my life since you've been gone. What I'm most in need of, you cannot give me. I really need your warmth and affection. Alright, Sagittarius, these were some of the messages. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you for this reading. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius, please. Blessing, look deeper. Sagittarius, sometimes in life, what you see on the surface is not what is. Sometimes we just see, like this angel is looking at the lake, right? And it's absolutely placid and calm, but there's so much activity happening under the water. So much of wildlife or sea life or plants and fish and crabs and whatever. There's a lot of activity happening there. So what Spirit is saying, whatever's happening in your life, don't judge it by the way you see it on the surface. There could be a lot of hidden elements maybe which you're not aware of. So A, don't blame yourself, and B, don't be depressed. I do see somebody here in a lot of sadness, a lot of depression, maybe because this is a time of being by yourself in solitude. Let's start your reading, Sagittarius. 4 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. What's this 4 of Cups in reverse? Yep. somebody was looking for this 10 of cups, right? Somebody was wishing that this connection could have gone the long haul. There was so much potential. We can have a happily ever after. But there was no justice that was brought to this. Maybe the other person never offered, or maybe something did not balance out here. Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Page of Cups. Some injustice was done here and making one person feel very sad. Yeah, somebody broke a promise or turned out to be a heartbreaker. Didn't make that offer that maybe the person was expecting. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. Yeah, somebody, I think, somebody did try to have this communication. There was a message, there was some communication, but it could have turned into a fight. And maybe somebody was very rude or harsh or angry and may have said things to hurt their partner, and now blockages are in place. 4 of Pentacles in reverse. Again, 4 of Swords in reverse again. Yeah, somebody's feeling they had a stroke of bad luck. This is bad karma, bad luck, that what they wished for, to have a happily ever after, to make their dreams come true. I think one person was really convinced and did put in a lot of work. They did put in a lot of work because they were convinced that this is my soulmate. But it didn't turn out, I guess, the way they thought it would. 3 of Cups in reverse. 3 of Cups in reverse. Somebody is losing hope now. Maybe certain secrets have come out, certain things have been said. Maybe there's a lack of commitment, lack of offering something which is more solid. Maybe there's third parties involved, I don't know, but somebody is kind of stopped talking or made a decision. But there is lack of communication. That's staring out at me from this spread. No communication, still holding on maybe to some memories, hoping a decision will still be made, wanting desperately to come out of this feeling of sadness and regret and wasted time and effort, but not feeling happy at the moment, just angry, upset, wanting to come out of this stuck place, Sagittarius. Why? Because the sadness is because now somebody is alone. Look at this, hermit again, trying to find that light in the darkness, wondering why there is no equal give and take. Maybe still waiting for a return, but the truth of the matter is that what has come out in the open is that this person is not ready, or not, it's still not in their power. But Emperor, Spirit, what's this Emperor? Somebody is still hoping and wishing, though, that this fight will one day end. My person will grow up, literally, and become that Emperor and will return, will take some action. Feeling the loss of love, because as of now, Sagittarius, this person is not opening up, not offering anything. Yes, I can't do this reading anymore, Sagittarius. This person is not ready yet. This person is not ready to offer anything stable. There is such an imbalance in this connection at the moment. What's this 6 of Pentacles in reverse? Yes, this is one person feeling devastated, still wishing and hoping that one day, because they are convinced this could be you, Sagittarius. I mean, this could be you. In your soul, you feel this is your 4 of Wands, but feeling devastated because as of now, this person is still stubborn and still not offering this, equal give and take. So look deeper. That's what Spirit is saying. Try and see why they are not offering, what is the reason, what you should do in this circumstance. No point sitting here in sadness and depression, because that's only going to affect you. Okay? So more next week now. Till next time, love and light. Take care. Namaste.